Ohio riding season. Is riding really over right now in Ohio? I don't know. You tell me. We're going to talk about the next video segment, so stay tuned for that. I mean, it's 42 degrees outside. I'm leaving work, so on the bike, on regular road speeds, that's what, between like 38 probably and 40, somewhere in there with the wind. So let's talk about it. All right, like and subscribe as always if you want to see more about this, or leave a comment. Is your riding season over? And if it is, when did it end? All right, take care.